which will in turn bring in educational facilities like hospitals will bring in MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, nursing courses. Industry will bring engineering, diploma, ITI courses. So everything will be packed up, and that will be a good package for progress.
How is the public response?
You can see a lot of public over here responding us very nicely, just because they need progress which hasn't happened for last many years in this particular area. Azra, Gadingla, Changarh. This area is naturally very beautiful area, but quite a lot away from success, progress. And in order to bring some in order to bring some progress to this area, they are very much enthusiastic and reacting very positively. Of course, we have a lot of confidence because of the sugar factory we own. We have a good pocket of sugar factory in surrounding areas, particularly in Changarh, as that's my Karma Bhumi. My Janma Bhumi is Ajra, so we are getting good response from Ajra as well. And there is a good support from Gadehinglers because Mr. Vinay Kore, Savkar, I'm the member of that party. I'm contesting from that party, Jan Suraj party. And we the area where we were a little bit lacking. So we have become strong over there just because of Mr. Vinay Kore and Jan Suraj party.
In this conference,
Yeah, nothing, actually absolutely nothing has happened. They are saying 1600 crores have been brought in this area. There is not even the basic facility of hospital. So first, there are no hospitals, there are no colleges, there are no good colleges, there are no tourism, because this is naturally blessed area. There is no tourism, absolutely there is nothing. Even if we want to get some good treatment, we have to go 100, 200 kilometers. So many times people die on the road before reaching the hospital. So, when it comes to this thing, we want to work somewhere as a worker or a labor, we have to rush to Mumbai, Pune, Kolhapur, or faraway areas like Goa. Nothing has happened in this area. That's what I have to bring in that thing. Just because I'm running the factory, Daulat Sugar Factory, which was closed for 9 years and no one was able to run it properly. So this time, just because it is run properly, lot of farmers, workers, and the HNT, harvesting and transporter members, are dependent on that factory. So ultimately, we have done it better. So people are responding much better.
Yeah. That he has done a lot of work here and he developed a number of areas and all.
Okay.
So they're saying that people are supporting him.
Yeah, they do say, but just look at the roads. You can see, look at the roads. What they have done, I don't understand. They just say we have brought in a lot of money from the government, but I don't know where exactly the money has gone. So they might have brought a lot of money, but actually it hasn't happened in reality.
I'm with you. Whenever you are going campaign, no, that time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You must have seen the response right away. If you just come just few steps ahead, okay, you can see lot of response. The people just need some work to the hands. Of course, we have our own fields, but the fields are very small, so we cannot earn. We can live on the fields, but we cannot earn. We can progress only on fields. So we need some work on to the hands of the youth. So that's what I'm ensuring youth that we can give you work to your hands and support us. And they are supporting, and we have done this. It's not that we are just giving them assurance. We have done this. So ultimately, the people are gathering us for us.
Voter, if they give chance to you,
what you're doing the first work?
Of course, that's what I told you just now. The first thing is hospital, which is the basic need. Exactly. In fact, that's our right, I should say. Apart from that, the youth should get work. So industrialization, that's the second thing. Tourism, the most important thing, because just what now I said, we are naturally blessed. So these are the three basic things which will in turn bring in educational facilities like hospitals will bring in MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, nursing courses. Industry will bring engineering, diploma, ITI courses, and catering courses. So ultimately, one thing will come up with other thing will come with the other thing. So everything will be packed up, and that will be a good package for progress. I am Mansingh Khorate, contesting from Jan Suraj party. Our leader, Mr. Vinay Kore, has done a beautiful thing in Varnanagar. You can see Varnanagar, which was just a barren land. has turned into something very beautiful. So in fact our land is naturally beautiful. So we want to bring it and make it a progressive one. So we urge, I ask my voters to vote for this onion trees, coconut trees. Yeah, coconut trees, 4 coconut trees. So, and in future, if you give me a chance, I will surely do my best to bring in progress to this particular area. जर का मला निवडून आणलं तर नक्कीच मी सगळ्यात पहिली गोष्ट म्हटलं तर एक हॉस्पिटल, सुसज्ज असं मोठं हॉस्पिटल, इथं MD डॉक्टर असलेलं एकही हॉस्पिटल नाही आहे पूर्ण भागामध्ये, तर ते एक मोठं हॉस्पिटल आणेल. हॉस्पिटलसोबत कॉलेजेस येतील, मग त्या MBBS असतील, BMH असतील, BHMS असतील. त्याच्यानंतर सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे इंडस्ट्री येणं. इंडस्ट्री आले की त्याच्यासोबत इंजिनिअरिंग, डिप्लोमा, ITI कॉलेजेस येतात. पर्यटन आहे, पर्यटनासोबत आपलं हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट कोर्सेस, नर्सिंग कोर्सेस वगैरे येतात. तर हाताला काम, सोबत शिक्षण आणि सोबत शेती ह्या सगळ्याचा जर का मेळ घातला तर निश्चितच आपल्या भागाचा विकास होईल आणि त्या विकासासाठी मला मतदान करावं अशी मी प्रार्थना करतो. माझ्या सर्व मतदारांना प्रार्थना करतो. आणि माझी चिन्ह आहे नारळाची बाग. जनसुराज पक्षाकडून मी उभा आहे, तेव्हा नारळाच्या बागेच्या समोरचं बटन दाबावं ही माझी प्रार्थना, विनंती आहे.